Hi guys, this is your instructional video for October 5th, Monday. That's today. You're going to go to classwork. Your tabs are going to be October 5th through October 9th this week. This first tab is your instruction video and your CNN 10 assignment. That is what you will begin with. Many of you have not watched the feudalism lecture and copied your notes. Your notes are the one here with the umbrella. Make sure you copy those down because you have a test on Wednesday. After that, you need to go to vocabulary.com, click on the link, and when you get there, look for your name in the upper right hand corner, and there are 3 little lines here next to your picture. So you will click those whenever it loads. You're going to go to assignments and activities, click that. Then up here on the left it says assignments to complete. You will click that and finish your list. Your list will show up once you click the assignments to complete. Okay? Then you need to use your extra time to finish any assignments that you've not turned in. Get your grades up. To look and see what you are missing, go to your stream. There is a box here that says upcoming. If you click view all, it will tell you what's missing or you have a 0. So if it says missing or 0, you need to go complete it and bring your grades up because a lot of you are not doing so hot. If you have completed all these things and you've reviewed your notes and you're ready for the test Wednesday, here is a tab for online games. There's Cetera, there's map work and geography games, okay? So, CNN 10, guided notes, lecture, study them, do your vocab, and then if you have time, there's online games. If you want to review the chapter and read through it yourself, your tab is right here, US History book chapters, okay? So make sure you're completing your work and turning that in. Toodles.